These are 10 of the worst outfits you could possibly wear. Actually, no. I feel like the worst outfit would be like gluing feathers on yourself and then going to a PTA meeting in just feathers glued upon yourself. That would probably be the worst. But these are just, you know, outfit mistakes I feel like most people should avoid, in my opinion. You don't have to agree with me. I would love to know what your opinions are, as always. So let's get started. One outfit mistake that you could possibly make, and that's wearing too many trends all at the same time. Like right now, cutouts are a really big trend. The color pink, bubblegum pink, has been very on trend. Platform shoes, large belt buckles. The whole sporty looking thing has been big. All of these are wonderful if you wear one or two of them in your outfit, but if you were to put them all together in the exact same outfit, I just think it would be overkill and it just would not have the effect that you're going for. I would say just separate all those out, play around with one or two of them, maybe just one, pair them back with some basics or some classic pieces, and I feel like it will probably look a lot better, but to each his own. The next outfit mistake. You have a really cute outfit. I mean, like on a scale of 1 to 10, it's a 12, okay? And then, this is an outfit mistake from my past. You put on some dirty, ugly shoes with that really cute outfit. What in the heck? In my past, when my feet started to be broken and busted because I walked around in heels all over New York City when I lived there like a total idiot, ruined my feet. And then I was like, well, I guess I gotta wear the ugly, comfortable shoes now. And I would just wear them with every outfit thinking that it was fine. And really though, I didn't spend enough time researching and finding shoes that were comfortable but also cute. So the outfit mistake here would be wearing the cute outfit with dirty shoes, or just the really ugly, comfortable ones that we all have. We all still wear, I still wear them, but I'm not gonna wear those with an outfit that I'm trying to look a certain way. The next outfit mistake is wearing too many distressed or ripped items within your outfit. So an example would be super ripped jeans, and then one of those ripped distressed sweaters, and then you're wearing some of those shoes that are supposed to be dirty, like Golden Goose. I feel like it would look like you just came from a street fight 5 minutes ago and you didn't win. The other guy won because all your clothes are ripped to shreds. I just feel like it's too much of the same thing all going on. We need some balance. So to balance this out, in my humble opinion, I feel like it looks more balanced if you were to put those ripped jeans with a structured, not distressed top, or pair that distressed sweater with some leather pants, or wear the dirty Golden Goose sneakers with an outfit that's not ripped or not distressed. I just feel like putting these pieces with less distressed pieces makes it look more like an intentional outfit rather than you got in a street fight. I don't know what else you would have done. Or a cat attacked you. You were at the zoo and something escaped and it shredded your clothing. One outfit mistake that I feel like if you live long enough, you get into this outfit mistake, but that's not updating your look. So the outfits you put on are just, they don't feel good anymore. They feel stale. You're not that excited about them. And then you get into this rut where you feel like fashion is just not for me. There's no clothes out there that I really like. When really what it is, you've just been wearing the same items in the same way for the last 10 years and you just need to refresh them. Take the outfit apart, put it back together with some new or fresh pieces or some different pieces to make it feel fresh again, and you'll start to like your clothes more. I don't recommend going out and buying a whole new wardrobe. You can get a few key pieces to add to your current wardrobe to be able to mix them around into new outfits. One of the worst outfit mistakes that anyone could ever make. Gosh, I've really done all of these. Every single one of these outfit mistakes is like from my past. It's wearing clothes that don't fit. I've talked about this before. Am I guilty of wearing clothes that don't fit? Yes. Do I currently wear clothes that don't fit? Sometimes, and I don't realize it until I'm like walking down the street and I'm like, oh my goodness, these pants, they ride up and they don't fit because my booty got bigger. I need to change them or do something, but I'm already down the street. So it happens to the best of us. Am I the best of us? I don't know. But it happens to some of us. So don't feel bad if it happens to you, but try to make a conscious effort to wear clothes that fit. If they're tight or pulling or tugging, it's not gonna look good, it's not gonna feel good, and you're just gonna be uncomfortably tugging at it all day. And so whatever the outfit is, it won't look as good as it could if it actually fit your body. One outfit mistake that we can definitely avoid, all of us can, and I kind of feel like nobody really watching this actually does this, but it's being underdressed, really underdressed to an event. And honestly, I just feel like it's rude. Like if somebody invites you to their wedding and they told you it's, you know, black tie, casual, there's all kinds of white tie, whatever they told you the dress code is, and you just ignore that and you wear flip-flops and a mini skirt and you just came back from the beach, I just feel like it's kind of rude. It's like, just, you know, either dress up a little bit or just don't go. Another outfit mistake, or, you know, something that can ruin your outfit, is when things are sticking out of your outfit that aren't supposed to be sticking out. Like it's not part of your outfit and you didn't mean for it to be, but it is sticking out. So examples would be wearing ankle boots and you wore ankle socks, but they're peeking out a little bit. That annoying hanger string that they put right here so that you can hang your clothes, but it just ends up like riding up your face when you don't know it and when you're talking to somebody. The solution to all of this, of course, is just to cut these things out. Push the ankle socks down, or just make sure they're not peeking out. Make sure your bra straps aren't all up here. Get some double-sided tape. All of these are very simple, like really dumb little things that aren't gonna make you be like, oh, that's terrible what she's wearing. But there's just little things that are easily fixable and they can detract from your whole outfit if you don't fix them. Is it a big deal? Is it the, you know, life altering or anything? No. But if I can fix it and it's easy to fix, I mean, I'd rather just fix it. Wearing too many retro pieces all at the same time. This can start to look like you're wearing a costume, you're going to a Halloween party rather than an outfit. Maybe you have some clothes from back in the day and now the trends have come around again, or you've gotten some of your mom's vintage items, or maybe you really got into the Y2K trend that's going around and you went on a major shopping spree for Y2K. All of these pieces are great, but when you wear them all together at the same time, it can start to look like you're going to a costume party. So here again, I would take this apart, wear those retro pieces with more classic pieces, or wear the Y2K things with something more current to make it look like a really interesting outfit, but you're not in a costume. Does that make sense? Our next outfit mistake is wearing workout clothes all day long. Hi, my name is Anna and I wear workout clothes all day long on a very regular basis. I am working on this. This is one of the things I'm working on in my life, but it just ends up happening and I have every excuse. You worked out at 8 o'clock in the morning and then you ran some errands and then you're like, well, I gotta go walk the dog. And then I'm just working from home and then I'm gonna cook dinner. So why get out of them? In the end, I know that I feel better about life, about myself. I'm more confident if I don't do that all the time. If I get myself dressed, even if I don't really have any place special to go, but I just put on something that's not workout clothes. I know I can't be the only one. If you find yourself more days than you're not wearing workout clothes all day long, or just like, you know, sweatpants and stuff, it might be time to make an effort to, you know, 4 days out of the week at least, you are putting together an outfit that you feel good in, even if you're just going to your mailbox and your own Zoom meetings or something. This is an outfit mistake. I know a lot of people do. I've done it before and it's hard to get out of doing this, but it's hiding behind oversized clothing. Now again, this is not a life altering decision not to do this. I feel like doing this doesn't make you feel like the most confident version of yourself. It's like you're in this hiding mode. And so even when you're talking to people, you know, you're just not feeling as confident as you could, or you're not showing up as your true, like creative, authentic self because you're still kind of hiding back here. If you're putting on clothes for this sole intention of just hiding your body and covering up your body, I feel like that's when some time needs to be spent on loving on yourself and doing some research on clothing and outfits that work for your body exactly how it is now. Find some bloggers that have your type of body, that you like their style, see what they're wearing. Plus, doing this and hiding behind baggy clothes often makes us look larger than we actually are. It's kind of ironic. So it'll have the opposite effect of what you want. The best thing, and this is so much easier said than done, is to try to learn to embrace your curves and find clothing that's body skimming, not oversized and not super tight. Just body skimming, shows the natural curve of your body. There's nothing to be ashamed of. Everybody's got a body, everybody's got a stomach, everybody's got a butt. None of us are perfect. So, so that would be the journey that I feel like would help us look our best. Do you have any outfits to add? Have you worn an outfit that you were like, That is the worst outfit mistake I have ever made. Gosh, I have. Man, I've made so many outfit mistakes. I make them still today. I look back and I'm like, oh, what was I thinking? That's horrible. Why didn't anyone say something to me? Anyway, fashion is always subjective. And in the end, you know, no one's sitting in their house with a group of friends talking about how much they hated your outfit. And if they are, you really made an impression and there's something about you that they are jealous of anyway. So don't ever let it hold you back. And also don't ever let it hold you back from like trying out new outfits and trying new things, because just fashion, it's not that serious. So just have fun with it. All right, I hope this was a fun video and I will see you next time.